If you're a FBody owner and you haven't converted over to the GM truck starter, you are dead wrong. And let me show you why it's so important. I had to pull this one off the shelf, but as you can see, that GM truck starter had a long here for the starter support and a long one here. Well, the LS1 and F-bodies do not. They have a short one here. And what happens is either low voltage or something happens with the starter or the engine, or this cracks. If this breaks, your engine will destroy because it breaks the ear off of your bell housing. Look it up, get these out of your car and throw them away.